This video is about making pixelated graphics in Illustrator. I'll get rid of that and I'll go onto Illustrator and I'll make a new file. Just going to make it A4 for the sake of it. Now under View you have an option that's called Show Grid, and if we go to View, we have an option that's called Snap to Grid. Now under Illustrator you have settings and you have guides and grid. Usually it comes up something like this. So you've got a darker, bigger square and then a smaller one in between. If I go to the settings, so what we're doing is the smaller one here, we're putting it on 1, which is the smallest value, and this I'll put it on roughly about 10 points. I'll go OK, and if you watch the grid, you no longer have those smaller internal ones and you have just these squares here. Because we have it on Snap to Grid, means that if I get a black square, when I draw on here, it's just going to snap to those square pixels. You don't have to worry about it going outside of that, and you can just kind of fill them in. Change the color, so things like this, if I do the inside, I can kind of overlap them and join them together using the Pathfinder tool that I think you've used before. I had one selected down here, so it's just gone orange. So if I hold down the command key, it goes to the arrow, so I can select what I want, let go, and it goes back to filling it in. Now if I go eye, brings up the eyedropper that's selected, click on the black, and it fills it in. So with nothing selected, I can change this to white, and I can draw in a couple of eyes. Command, go to arrow, so I can click out here, so nothing's selected. Eye, I might pick black, and then again I can just get another square and pop in a pupil, maybe a bung tooth. When I've got what I want, I can just go View, hide the grid, and I've got my graphic.